This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Run health checks against on-prem Active Directory and ensure the account you'll use has enterprise admin rights so object writebacks work. Install the recommended Windows Server build, apply updates, and add required roles and NET frameworks. Once done, open Azure AD Connect and choose the custom installation path. Make precise choices about sync scope and matching rules now so you avoid reshaping objects later. Next, configure the central sync and authentication options. Decide between password hash, pass-through, or apps authentication based on security and SSO needs. Each has trade-offs in complexity and control. Then map organizational units and refine attribute filtering so only intended accounts sync. Configure softmatch and immutable ID mapping to preserve object continuity. Once done, enable staging mode for a dry run. Review import and export logs carefully and preview objects to catch mismatches before making synchronization permanent. To finish, disable staging mode and let Azure AD Connect perform the initial full sync followed by delta cycles. Monitor those runs and make sure there are no large error counts. Verify that UPNs, group memberships, and password behaviors match expectations, and test sign-in for representative users. If things go wrong, prioritize event logs and the Azure AD Connect troubleshooting logs. Run ID fix to surface attribute problems and use the connectivity diagnostics. Make targeted fixes, then force a delta sync and confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.